Bharat Jodo Yatragi Kongsat Mari Lenana, Rahul Gandhi Amari, Naga Hohogi Miyoi Singa, Unaduna, Naga political issue Matanda, Kananena Krahari. Kananena Baduda, Naga Hohogi Maikadigi, India government, Naga political issue Loishinduna, Santiago Bakodi Amata Pinabangamdana, Ladyba Asida, Nungaitaba Fondo Kihari, Naga Hohogi, Apama Singh Tarabo Matunda, Congress Party Lusingba, Rahul Gandhina, Mahak Amari, Mahaki Party Regi, Angamba Honabayaba Hotnaduna, Athuba Matamda, Naga political issue Loisinnaba, Hotnagani High Krehina, media report Amana Hairi.
Sir, we have so many issues and problems to share with you. The present ongoing peace talk is being initiated by the Congress party and the government. Agreement after agreement and then nothing comes.
Have you seen this framework agreement?
Yes.
You've seen it?
Yes, sir. We have seen it. And we know it.
This seems to be almost a sort of a theoretical concept.
It was the commitment of the present government.
But have they given any sense of how this is going to be implemented?
That is up to government of India.
But they have not given any sense.
They have not laid down the foundation that it is said. Framework agreement means it is like the preamble of the constitution.
When you ask the government what is going on, what is the response?
Our government, we have met interlocutor. I think we have met the Naga Ho, and we have met about 5 times.
When did you last meet him?
October we met him.
And what did they say?
He said, we will work. We had in fact a conference in
Every time we meet.
Did you say that, listen, please give us a time frame?
They were saying we'll do something before Christmas, but Christmas is gone, so many Christmas is gone.
He also declared to the people of India, I'll put 15 lakhs in their bank account. And give 2 crore jobs. No, but I think this is an important thing. I can certainly check a little bit about what is going on, and I can raise it that look what is happening about this accord that you have so-called signed 9 years ago. I think in 2015 the Prime Minister called Sonia Ji, the Congress President, and said that we have big step forward on this framework agreement. And Sonia Ji asked him, what exactly are you talking about? And there was not a very clear answer at that point. We were not too impressed by that ourselves, because we understand how these things work.